Hello everyone, it's Patty. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'll be sharing with you a very special box from Simply Gilded. This is the 50th box from Irene, and this is also the last box in this style of subscription box. So it is very special box. It's bittersweet, kind of like ending and new beginning, but I will tell you a little bit about it in the next few minutes. But as always, as I do customer service for Simply Gilded, I receive my box early. If you are subscribed, the boxes will start shipping the last week of the month, so there will be no delays with this box. And if you're not subscribed, you can subscribe at simplygilded.com. So as I mentioned, so this box is called Stay Golden, and since it's a very special box, Irene basically included all her favorite things. Is very true to Irene's heart and to Irene's kind of aesthetic. It includes all the best things basically that Simply Gilded has to offer. So as you can see, the theme is Stay Golden. The colors are these beautiful soft pinks and lilacs with this kind of like wisteria, almost like ceiling floral that is flowing down. There's like a frame here, the gold foiling all over. I love the mix of the font with this beautiful cursive. It's then the Stay Golden and the beautiful bow in the middle. There it says again Stay Golden volume 50. And then the beautiful floral continues with little stars, the gold stars that are right there in the middle. And of course, we have little juniper back there. But this is the menu card that comes in the box. And again, as I always do, I'll show everything that's in the box, but not the mystery item. Now, if you look in the back here of the menu card, you will see this message that says, "Thank you. This month we celebrate the 50th and final Simply Gilded subscription box. How fitting to have a gold anniversary to celebrate. Thanks for being with me on this amazing adventure. Although endings are bittersweet, they can make way for beautiful new beginnings. Your current subscription will be automatically canceled after this month. The subscription service will continue in its new form starting in February 2022. Watch your inbox for come January for information on how to continue with a new subscription. I would love to have you along for this brand new beautiful journey, Irene." So it's a very beautiful message. Again, it is sad. I absolutely adore the box. I know that you all love it, and so I am sure that Irene will bring it back in a new format, which you will also love, and she'll continue to create the most wonderful things that she only her knows how to create, because I honestly don't understand how she can come up with such beautiful things every month. But so again, if you are subscribed, your subscription will be automatically canceled at the end of the month, and in order to receive the Stay Golden box, your payment will have to go through by December 31st. Otherwise, no payments will be allowed after that date. So just a note on that. And so no need to cancel, to email in and cancel. But let's see what's included in the box this month. We have a foil journaling card, designer washi tapes, deluxe sticker kit and seals, large floral album, B6 stitch binding notebook, which is Annie Plant's printable collab, exclusive gel ink pen, sweet bow charm, die cut sticky notes, and mystery item. So there is a ton. Now, of course, I want to start with one of my favorite things, the gorgeous B6 stitch B6 notebook covers, which are vegan leather, and this color is just stunning. It's just very soft lilac, pink lilac in the background. It's a scalloped edge with a heart closure. This holds B6 inserts, and inside again is this gorgeous lilac. I love how the elastics are matching. We have two pockets here, and we have a pen holder on the side, and even a little kind of a clip here that you can attach your little bow. So you can use this for your journaling. You can use this for anything you want. As you know, I set them up every month, so definitely this will be something that is perfect for January. But if you want to even keep it for the spring, it just goes with a little bit of everything, and it comes with a matching vegan leather bow. So you can attach here the bow if you want to, but this I just love to attach it to my purse. I just love even sometimes to put keys on it. It's anything, but it just matches beautifully. So it's it's a very girly feminine box. And then we have, of course, a B6 stitch insert with the same gorgeous lilac color, and this little floral swag with a bow in the middle, all gold foiled. And this is a collab with Annie Plants, and Annie makes my favorite inserts. So she designed this beautiful insert which matches, which you can use with your washi tape. It's just perfect. And I am oh my goodness, Annie will also have matching inserts, which will be available on her website very soon. So if you want to print out the additional inserts so that you can set up your whole entire planner with the matching insert, they will be available on her site soon. And again, here it says Annie Plants printables, but with Simply Gilded, which is just gorgeous. Oh, and I forgot, I usually start with the journaling card, and how beautiful. So this matches the box. It says grateful and then heart, which is kind of a thank you from Irene for everybody who's been along for the journey, who's appreciated everything that she's created. So it's just a gorgeous, gorgeous, soft, kind of heart with this floral, kind of wreath around it, the heart. And then we're getting sticky notes, and these are not vellum sticky notes, these are actual sticky notes, so you can write on them with anything you would like. I love how they come always on this beautiful backing. It looks like a little frame actually, because it's this beautiful oval with the gold foil, the little swag at the bottom. They are just beautiful. And then of course you need something to write on them with it, and the pen this month is a matte finish, which I love. I just love holding it. I love the feeling of the matte metal, when you're holding it, with this beautiful bow at the bottom. And again, these are 0.5 millimeter gel ink pens. They write beautifully. And I like to keep them in my purse. They have a little bit of a cover there, so before you start using it, just make sure to remove the little plastic at the top. And then we're gonna get into the stickers, which have been expanded, updated. So now, you get so many. And this month, the price for the sticker kit, so if you want to order the deluxe sticker kit as the stickers only, this stay the same. So this will still be $10, which to me is absolutely insane. But this comes in the box, and of course you can order more if you would like to have it shipped with your box. So just send us an email. So let's see what the kit includes. It includes first 4 full sheets of stickers. The first sheet here includes 9 full boxes, all in this gorgeous floral, and then with the let your dreams blossom. And the bottom we even have some little washi strips. Then we have a sheet with all your days of the week, and there's 4 full weeks, so you can stretch it for the entire month. So there's different colors and this here is the 4th week, which is horizontal. Then we have some half boxes, some headers, then we have another sheet in which we have a ton of quarter boxes, a ton of headers, flags, and then more half boxes. So I just love it because I use a lot of stickers, so this gives you a ton. And then we have a full sheet of page flags, of little checklists. I love these ones with the little heart, and then some deco, some more little flags, these cute little bows, some heart icons, and I just love this little swag too. So in addition to the 4 full sheets of stickers, you also get 1 sheet of icons, which is heart icons, which is a mix of dates and a little mix of just general icons. And then we have a sheet of the bow seals that match the design, and they're just gorgeous. And then we're not finished yet, we're getting to the washi, which this month comes in this beautiful lilac bag. And here is the entire washi. Now, for the washi, you can also order the washi only. The washi only will include all this washi plus a journaling card. And I forgot to mention the stickers only will include a journaling card as well. This washi only is $21. Now, if you just order the full box, you will not get the 5mm add-on, which is an additional $6. And if your box is not shipped, you can email in and we'll be glad to add it to you to send you a custom invoice. But here here is the washi that comes in the full box, and it is again all these beautiful florals. So let me show you. We have the 15mm with the matching 10mm, and let me unroll it a little bit. So we're still having this background of a soft lilac with the florals and the gold bows. Super sweet, super I don't know, I can almost feel like, I don't know, like I almost smell it. It's so beautiful. And then we have this I love this design. I love this style of washi. It's I think Irene has described it as like a ceiling, like a floral ceiling. So it's almost like the flowers are kind of you know, flowing down from the ceiling, you know, like on a beautiful pergola when you have the flowers growing all over. And it has this little teeny tiny stars and gold stars, you know, they're coming down, and the background is white. And then we're having this glitter washi, and this glitter washi is this just a stunning lilac with this flowing little heart. And let me open it. There we go. That it's right at the tippy top, and so it just goes up and down with a little you know, bow that's flowing around. And then we have one of my favorite washi, which is the scalloped edge washi. I go through these basically. I need a giant roll of this washi because I use it in all my washi dashboards. I love to create, like, between washis. This is just perfect. It just adds a little touch of color and a little touch of you know, gold, and it's just perfect. So I'm just gonna need extra those. And then we have the perforated days of the week, which the background this time is white with, so it goes with everything with the gold foiling. Now, as I mentioned, if you're getting the washi only, you're also going to get the 5mm add-on, which includes 4 5mm washi. And if you're not subscribed, you can send again an email. So we're giving the 5mm pink. This is actually truly pink bow washi. Then we're having this floral with the stars, and then we're having the lilac with the little heart. And then little stars, and then this kind of like split line in which there is a floral and the gold. And this is it, guys. So I hope you won't miss this beautiful last box in this format. So the box will come back, and will just come back in a different format. But if you you know, don't want to miss it, this is like truly an anniversary box. It's the 50th box. So I hope you will subscribe if you're not subscribed. If you have any questions, please send us a message at hello@simplygilded.com. I will be glad to help you, and I hope you are having a wonderful holiday season, and you're enjoying your time at home with your family or friends and the loved ones. And if you have any questions, send me a DM at Instagram at Planningfancy, and I'll answer all DMs. And sending big hugs to all of you, and happy holidays. Bye bye.